iPhone 12 design. We expect the iPhone 12 to mark the return to slab-sided design, with reports suggesting that the device will heavily resemble the iPhone 4. Reliable Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has said this will come as part of a significant chassis redesign for the iPhone 12. Kuo believes that the iPhone 12 will still feature curved glass edges around the display, like the iPhone 11. The analyst has referenced 2.5D glass in his various reporting on the 2020 iPhone lineup. Currently, the iPhone 11 Pro features a blended design between the glass of the display and the stainless steel edges. This differs from the iPhone 4, which was completely squared off around the sides. As you can see, in those dummy units, the front side of the iPhone 12 is expected to look nearly identical to the iPhone 11. There is, however, expected to be one change, a smaller notch. Display. For the first time ever, the entirety of Apple's flagship iPhone lineup will sport OLED display technology this year. All 4 iPhone 12 models are expected to feature OLED screens, including the successor to the LCD-equipped iPhone 11. iPhone 12 camera. Other than screen size, the biggest differentiator between the iPhone 12 models will be camera technology. Essentially, Apple is planning 2 iPhones with dual-lens camera systems and 2 iPhones with triple-lens camera systems. Power. The iPhone 12 lineup is expected to feature the next iteration of Apple's A-series processors, presumably called the A14. According to a recent supply chain report, Apple's partner TSMC is on schedule to start the production of the A14 processor using a new 5nm process. The A13 was produced with a 7nm processor, so the A14 should be more power efficient and faster thanks to the 5nm process. Connectivity. Perhaps most notably of all 4 of the iPhone 12 models introduced this year are expected to feature 5G connectivity. Despite some initial reports to the contrary, all 4 are expected to include support for both versions of 5G. Thanks for watching.